Hello everyone, my name is Bunny Punia, an automotive journalist working with Car Dekho and Gaadi.com. Now I've been in the industry for over 11 years and I have a couple of records under my belt, a Guinness and a Limca. But the record we're talking about today is completely different. It's a fuel economy record. Well, for the challenge, we have chosen a simple 1000 km long Bangalore to Bombay route. And on this route, the current record is held by me. 39.94 kmpl in 21 hours 20 minutes done 2 years back. We threw this challenge to Ford. Can their offering the Figo Aspire diesel break this record in less time with less fuel? Well, they feel very confident and the challenge is to drive the Figo Aspire diesel for 1000 kilometers, delivering over 40 kilometers to a litre in under 21 hours. So stay with us for the next few minutes to see if the new Figo Aspire can break this record. So trying to carry extra fuel with us towards the starting point because every car takes a while before the tank settles in properly and all the air bubbles escape out. So we have filled the car from the pump because but our starting point is a good 4 kilometers away. That is where we'll be again filling up the car from the water bottles and till the point the car can take no more. Then of course the lid will be sealed by the auditors, signed by the auditors, and we'll finally leave on the journey. What we're trying to do is we're trying to make sure the tank is filled to the brim. So again filling up the car at a starting point. You can probably see the fuel to the brim now. So I think that is the moment of the time has come to start for the trip. So we're starting off from starting point and we're gonna reset the whole odometer. This is our Garmin GPS device for the whole drive, which shows us maximum speed, the elevation, the total time, time of the day, the odometer, the overall average speed and the moving average speed. And finally this one has the actual speed of the car at the given time. This will be mounted in the car and used for verification by our witnesses, by our auditors at the end of the drive. And here we go. Time to hit the road. Well, we are into a 6 hour of the drive as per the GPS device. 5 hours and 39 minutes. We have done 264 kilometers with an overall average speed of 46.7. What I'm doing is I'm keeping approximately 55-60 on the speedometer depending on the elevation changes. Now NH4 has a lot of changes in elevation, long flowing corners, ups and downs. So what I'm doing is every time the elevation goes up, I try to go not too hard on the accelerator pedal so that I don't spend too much fuel. When the elevation goes down, I try to lift up just a bit so that saves me fuel at the same time as speeds increase. The good thing is, as per the display over here, we are getting 50.2 kmpl. Now the display of the Aspire is pretty accurate and this is shocking. For a car with a 100 PS diesel engine, 50 plus kmpl is absolutely stunning. So far so good. I'm comfortable, the seats are nice, the audio system is lovely and the beautiful views around the highway, they're keeping me very busy. Well, we have been on the road for just over 8 hours with an average fuel economy of 50.2 kmpl since Bangalore. This is simply phenomenal. Our aim was to achieve the best from the Aspire and I think we'll do that. We have just crossed the city of Belgaum some time back and we have been on the road for 11 hours 38 minutes, covered 564 kilometers at an average speed of 48.5. And the big question about fuel economy, well, as per the display we are doing 48.3 kmpl It has dropped slightly in the last couple of hours, but that's mainly because I was trying to gain more speed. So we should be reaching Bombay in the morning by around 4 a.m., which means 21 hours for this complete journey, which is actually faster than the fastest train between Bangalore and Mumbai.
How is it looking? Going fine so far?
Yeah, the long leg and trying to push it now. Let's hope for the best.
You must be terribly exhausted.
Surprisingly not. It's been a lazy drive, but the fire is pretty comfortable, and of course I had my Red Bulls and coffee if I'll say right.
Well, we are on a final last stretch towards Mumbai. This is the Pune-Bombay Expressway. We have been on the road for exactly 18 hours and 21 minutes, 882 kilometers under the belt, with the display showing economy of 46 kmpl. 994 kilometers in 20 hours and 34 minutes. This is the final log for us. 48.4 kilometers is the overall average speed. Surprisingly, you can see the fuel needle is at the half mark after 1000 kilometers. It's time to fill the car now. And let's check out how much this Spire will actually take in terms of liters of diesel, and we'll have the actual fuel economy. The car took in 22 liters from the dispenser, then we put in 1 liter, which is 23. It will still take in more, so 23 plus this will go now. This is going to be a close call, guys. Tushar, do you think it will take any more fuel now? We'll wait for 5 minutes? It's slightly leaking out also now because of the over.
No, I don't think there's enough room for more. It's anyways overflowing.
So the calculations say that the car took in 22 liters from the dispenser, 1 from the bottle, and some quantity from this bottle. Let's check out how much went from this bottle now. 250? 250 plus
75.
So 994.84 kilometers divided by 23.65. Am I right?
67.
67.
42.
Can you show this to the camera? So there you go, 994.84 kilometers divided by 23.67 liters. The Ford Aspire over a distance of almost 1000 kilometers has given us 42.02 kmpl, an improvement of 5% over a previous record. And further on, we covered the distance in less time as well. Single driver on board, the car was mine for almost a day, and this is what we achieved. Thanks a lot for all of you for watching this, and of course thanks a lot to Zubin and Tushar for staying by the drive. It was a boring, lazy drive, but they stood by. They helped us a lot. Thank you guys.